Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on purchasing and installing the Conversios plugin. Visit conversios.io. Head over to our website at conversios.io. Once there, navigate to the pricing page to explore the available plans. Choose the plan best suits your needs and click Get Started to initiate the purchase process. After selecting your plan, you'll be redirected to an interface where you can fill in your invoice details. The default payment method is Stripe, but you can choose alternative options by clicking on the respective buttons. Once everything is filled in, proceed by clicking Purchase. After making the payment, you'll be redirected to the order confirmation page. Your purchase details will be displayed on the screen, and you'll also receive an order confirmation email. Download the ProZip file provided in the email for the next steps. Open your WordPress backend, go to the Plugins section, and click on Add New. Upload the ProZip file you downloaded earlier. Once uploaded, activate the plugin. You'll now see the Conversios Pro tab on the left-hand pane. Activate License Key. Navigate to the Conversios Pro tab and go to the Account Summary section. Find the License Key bar and enter the key received in your order confirmation email. Click on the Refresh button to activate the license. Additionally, click Refer SH subscription details to ensure your plugin is up to date. Follow these steps, and you'll be up and running with Conversios in no time. Happy converting!